Okay, we had to come back to the locals market and show you again and explore because I missed the upstairs. And let's have a look. Yeah, hats. There is so much selection. This one for you, Sato.
Maybe this one.
Look.
What about this one? This is cool.
There you go. This is mind-blowing just how much stuff there is, how much stock and bags. So much stuff. Look at that, bags, shorts and pants. If you thought the markets were pretty like amazing in Vietnam, Cambodia is a new level. Little shop there. Bags, backpacks, and it just goes on and on and on. So what should we buy? What do you think we should buy? Select yes or select no. I'll point to it and then you tell me. Oh, wow. It would be really difficult to differentiate in this marketplace your business. You would say, come to the third floor, section 3A. I mean, I think it'd be possible in some of these shops to, for some days, that they don't see a customer. I think that would be quite possible. Toys. Maybe this one for my niece. Got a little bell on it. Be a bit hard to take in the backpack though. Julie, hello. Some jumpers. This is amazing. Oh, some bags. So yeah, look, this market just goes on and on like this for 3 levels. So I won't show you all of it, but as you see, amazing. Markets Cambodia style. Check it out. We got fish, chicken, freshly cut, and seafood. It looks pretty good. It's all still moving. It's good because they're all alive. Huge crabs and prawns. Awesome. I love those crabs. Very, very fresh. They are mud crabs. Fresh and alive. and so many prawns. Like they're kind of like a crab, like a big prawn. Nice one. And vegetables. This is a locals market right near our hostel where we are, and yeah, it's just also outside of that enormous locals market that we were in. That was 3 floors. Probably the biggest market that I've ever seen. And sometimes you see these guys driving around with an esky or something, and they have a speaker and they sell something. So it's a super hot day. We're going to enjoy a beer and just hang out and enjoy this really authentic side of Phnom Penh, which I like. Olives. It's good that like Alian. Maybe we have beer here.